Welcome to Revolution Weather. Please like, subscribe and share. If you have forecast questions, please comment below. Potential for a significant winter storm continues to increase for this coming Thursday for parts of North Dakota, South Dakota into northern Minnesota. The NOM, GFS and ECMWF forecast models are in good agreement currently with track of this storm system, which makes confidence about as high as it can be at this point. First we will look at the current track of this storm system, then we will look at the expected snow totals between the various forecast models. Winter storm watches have already been issued for many of the areas expected to be impacted by this storm. Now, let's look at the latest ECMWF forecast model. Now, let's take a look at the latest GFS forecast model. Now let's look at the NOM forecast model. Now let's take a look at the expected snow totals between the forecast models. Keep in mind, forecast models often overestimate snow totals, at least by a few inches.